Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus a square plus ab plus b square. And the next one, that is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So this one, that is about this one. So we need to transform this one into this one. So we got s minus 1 multiplied by s squared plus s plus 1. Similar for this one. Now we need to simplify by s minus 1. Now we can put number 1 going here, here and here. So you got about 3/2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.